Okay, we're going to do a tutorial on how to use the Makerspace's paper cutter. I got a picture of a bird here, got to import it. It's a nice little pigeon, but what we want to do is flip the bird over on its side so it'll fit better on this piece of paper. So once you have that flipped, you can resize it using those corners. Okay, now we're going to, this might look really good, but right there, you can see the red line is where it's going to cut, and that eyeball is not highlighted, and we really want that eyeball. So let's see how to fix it. We're going to go on the right side where that trace tool is, select trace area, and highlight the whole bird. Then we're just going to go down to that button that says trace down there. Don't worry about the fill or outline, just trace. And now you can see we have a red line around the eyeball, which is exactly what we want. So now let's go over to the paper cutter. I'm going to use 2 pieces of tape here to keep our paper down, and you want to make sure that you have it lined up as it is on line. So on line it looks like it's on its side, so we're going to put the paper also on its side. And this is kind of important, especially if your thing is close to the edge, but you want to line it up on that gray piece. And that is the arm that you're going to flick open and closed. So you want to close it on your paper and press the forward arrow. Now that we got it all lined up, let's go zoom into the computer again. That was sick. Anyway, we're going to go back to our cutting display here, and what we want to do is add another pass. That's what I did for this one, but I probably should have done another blade depth. You'll see what the difference is whenever we get to the cutting stage, and but let's just send it through. So here we are back in the real world. We're gonna press send, and the Cameo is just gonna take off on us. But it's still gonna take a few minutes. Let's just speed up the clip here. Did you have breakfast? Are you having lunch? What's for dinner? Okay, and it's done. And this is my favorite part. Just throws it back at you. You're gonna press that out arrow again so it just fully comes out. And now we get to the good part. This little sharp tool here is going to help us with the details. Excellent. So I got a bird, and I made 2 little pieces of art out of it.